In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in New Brunswick. We'll be using the official Service New Brunswick website, and I'll walk you through the process from the homepage all the way to the payment screen. Before you begin, it's a good idea to have your ticket in front of you so you can quickly enter the details exactly as they appear. Start by going to the Service New Brunswick website. Once the page loads, choose your preferred language so you can continue in the version that's easiest for you to follow. After that, look at the top menu and click on Make a Payment. This will take you to the section for online payments. From the list of available payment options, select Police Ticket. On the next page, type in your ticket number carefully. This number needs to match your ticket exactly, so take a moment to double check it before moving on. Once you've entered it, click Look Up Ticket. You'll then arrive at the ticket information page. First, confirm that the ticket number shown matches the one on your document. Next, enter your last name. After that, fill in the amount listed on the ticket. Make sure you enter the exact amount due, since even a small mistake could delay the payment process. Continue by entering the payment due date, then the court date if one appears on your ticket. After that, provide the office information and the officer number exactly as shown. These fields help the system verify the ticket details, so accuracy is important here as well. Next, you'll be asked whether this is for a motor vehicle violation. If it is, enter the plate number and then add the correct province or state associated with that plate. As always, match the information to your ticket and vehicle records to avoid any errors. Once all the required details have been entered, move down to the certification section. Here, you'll need to confirm that the information you've provided is correct to the best of your knowledge. Read the certification statement carefully, then agree to it to continue. After that, click Pay. You may then be prompted to click the highlighted area or highlighted option on the screen to proceed with the transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue through the final payment steps. As a helpful tip, review everything one last time before submitting. That includes the ticket number, amount, dates, and vehicle information. Taking an extra few seconds here can help prevent mistakes. Once your payment is complete, be sure to save or print your confirmation for your records. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in New Brunswick.